Hello students, myself Shubham Chachan. Welcome to my channel. So basically we will going to see a new kind of problem which is nothing but diode or Zener diode problem with BJT biasing circuit. So in the question we are given the transistor used in the circuit which is nothing but beta is given as 30 and the particular IC B0 is negligible. So here we are given a Zener diode and a normal diode with a drop of 0.7 volts, and we have to find the collector current here. Firstly, we will mark all the currents: IB base current, collector current, and the emitter current respectively. And you can see the positive of plus VCC is grounded and negative part is given minus VEE is nothing but minus 12 volt. So if we see this kind of problem, firstly we will see the Zener voltage is operating in reverse bias or not. As you can see, the negative part is grounded and the positive part is minus 12 volt. So it will replaced by 5 volt of battery. And if we see this this diode, P to N, okay, plus minus. So if we see this at positive part, it is given as 5 volts, and at negative part plus of 0.7 minus 12, which is nothing but minus 11.3. So it is given as minus 11.3, which is nothing but the diode is in operating condition and is in forward bias, which can be replaced by 0.7 volt of battery. So I will make the simplified version diagram here itself. Plus of 5 volt, this is nothing but 12 volt, 1k, 0.7 here, 15k, as the VCC is grounded. You can do it here also. And if we see 2.2k, which is basically here it is rounded. Okay, so the simplified version diagram it is here. Plus of minus 0.7 base to emitter voltage. Firstly we will see it is in active region or saturation region by applying the KVL voltage loop in base voltage. So minus of 5 plus 1k IB plus 0.7 plus 0.7 minus 12 equals 0. So minus 17 1k IB, both there. 17 minus 1.4, which is nothing but 15.6, 1k IB. IB will be in milliamps, 15.6 milliampere. But here it is a trap. As you can see, the emitter voltage is minus 12 volt, the base voltage is minus 11.3, and the collector is, if we solve this, 0 minus 2.2k IC, 2.2k into 15.6, will become out to be 34.32 and plus, okay, sorry, 32 minus VC equals to 0, and VC will be minus 34.32. So here it will be minus 34.32. So if we see the both collector as an emitter, it is in reversed bias, and the base voltage is in forward bias, so it will be in the saturation region, not active region. So we will remove this part, and we will solve with plus of minus saturation voltage, which is nothing but 0.2 volt here. So 0 plus 2.2 k IC plus 0.2 minus 12 equals 0. Okay, minus 12 equals 0. 2.2 k IC minus 12 minus 0.2. If we simplify this, 12, 11.8, and IC we will get 11.8 divided by 2.2, so it will be 5.36 milliamps. So this is 5.36 milliamps, which is nothing but the collector current. So there is two trap here. Firstly, we will see the diode is in forward bias, and secondly we will see it is in saturation region, not active region. If we solve with active region, the current come out to be 468 milliamps, which is very large drop here. A very large drop is getting in collector current, so it is not acceptable. So we will take the saturation region as 0.2 volts, and then we will solve, and finally we will got as a 5.36 milliampere, which is the collector current. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you.